to see you smiling. I know that I love you, oh baby, why don't you see? All I ever wanted was to see you smiling. All I ever wanted was to make you mine. I know that I love you, oh baby, why don't you see that all I ever wanted was you and me?
No, I'm just going up.
Hi.
Good morning. Your name is?
Morning. I'm Emma.
I see Emma. Emma what?
Emma Kendrick. My appointment was at 11 o'clock.
Oh, I see. 11 o'clock. What time is it, Charlie?
It's 20 to 12.
20 to 12? Oh, I'm so sorry. Have you been here long?
Well, I've been here 10:30. So yes, but it's okay.
Look towards the light. That's fine.
Don't worry, Dr. Ross is a very good dentist.
I can come back if you want.
No, it's fine. In your mouth. It's easier, Emma. Sorry, just relax. Jack, pass me. Yes, that.
Oh no!
I'm just going to take an injection.
Oh, you.
Don't worry, I take your hand.
Oh no!
Hi, Emma. Look at your face.
Can't you look at her face?
Ow!
Be careful.
Yes, it's awful. I know.
He's coming. I can see him. He's parking the car.
He's got a car? Cool!
I'm so excited. He's walking towards me now. Oh, Dr. Ross is with him. That's strange. Oh no, he's just kissed her goodbye. She's walking up the park and...
I'm sure it's okay. Send me a text later.
I'm a woman, a sorry doctor.
Oh, that's great. I really don't like dentists.
I know. You want to have a cafe? It's freezing here.
I love to, yes.
Oh, by your face.
Don't worry, the cafe sounds great. In fact, the cafe sounds amazing.
I wanna be a billionaire so fucking bad. Buy all of the things I never had. I wanna be on the cover of Forbes magazine, smiling next to Oprah and the Queen.
¡Comienzo ya la cara!
Come back. Vale.
I was wearing ¿verdad?
Cordons.
Cordons.
Vale.
Espera, que os estic empujant.
Pero corre, ¿eh?
¡Otro!
Espera,
No taca, taca.
tirem.
Pero en verdad...
Us aparco aquí, vale? Va, ja està, parem, va, fem l'esquetx.
I see. 11 o'clock. What time is low, Charlie?
Espera, colón.
Què vols de...
Parla.
Espera que me s'ha bloquejat.
No, tranquila, tranquila. Però parla així. Parla així, Nora. Perdó.
No com si diguessis, tots van
Cames falses.
¡Va! No puedo. Voy a no pestañear. Va.
Detrás de las cámaras.
Va, no plorigues. Nora, no cal que plorigues, va, només cal que ho llegisques.
Para.
No puedo. Es que no puedo.
Nora, va, sí o sí.
¿Cómo tengo los pelos? A ver, mal.
Mal, malísimo.
És que, tio, així no podem.
Los
Vale,
rollo
Nora.
Sony, super
Vale.
Sony.
It's time.
Cordón.
Vale.
I'm so excited. He's walking towards me now. Oh, Dr. Ross is here. No puedo. Ya no puedo llorar.
Well, come in, please. Not just sit back and look towards the light. Parla!
Digues que aquí estic cansat.
Tu sé parlar? Don't worry.
No, què? No worry. Doctor Ross debería un
Però
dentista.
fíjame
Ja
si
està.
parla la lámpara que te
Ara,
parla.
és que me cago en tot.
Vale.
Don't go.